Yeah, as you can see, there's no liking weather or anything. So then you're stuck inside doing work. So now I'm just gonna rub down the oak kitchen, what you call it, plate, oil it, and then it's easier to clean. So I rub it down with this. I don't know the word for it in English, but in Norwegian it's sandpapir. Rub it down, oil with Osmo, hard wax oil, white, gives it a lighter shine. We'll keep this kitchen plate good for another few years. So this will be another time lapse. Alright guys, thank you. See you later. Leave a comment. You can. Thank you. So this is the plates rubbed down, ready to be oiled. Now I'm going to oil them so they're nice and smooth and easy to be cleaned. Every year or 2 years we have to do this, but this Osmo hard wax oil is really good, and it's like a wax. That's okay. So then I will just put the time lapse on again, and I'll smear the oil. I just use one of these cloths, I think. Yeah. Thank you.
And there's a place where we are free, beneath the sun by the sea, where beauty is exactly as it seems. Together we can run under the stars beneath the sun, and we can make reality from dreams. And there's a place where we are free, beneath the sun by the sea, where beauty is exactly as it seems. Together we can run under the stars beneath the sun, and we can make reality from dreams. And we can make reality from dreams, and we'll be free. Compare you to a painting done by a master long ago, but the love I feel in you is more like the rising sun. I'm bathing in your warmth where you go.
So that's the kitchen done. As you can see, new tape, new color, the walls. This one, you can see, I don't know if I'm doing it 100% right, but this is how I've been doing it before, and it gets really nice, easy to keep clean. To get it off your fingers, rather use gloves or use cooking oil to get it off. Please leave a comment in the comment section, and I'm not that scary, I hope. So enjoy. I think the result became pretty okay. Always keep I always keep a clean, tidy workplace. I just hate mess anyway, but it's easier to have a full overview and make a good job. All right, thanks for watching.